Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you two locations you might have missed in Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree. So, the first one, you want to start from the High Road Cross and work your way up and down this road, and you can grab the Site of Grace at the Moroth Ruins. Now, what you want to do is go to this pond section here where you'll find a cave, and if you go through this cave, you'll be able to access this area here, and there's an underpass where you'll be able to actually access this area as well. So it's pretty easy to miss. I know I missed it the first time. So hop on your steed where you'll find this cave where these guys are. And when you go through this cave, you're going to run into a couple enemies that you can easily run past. And there's actually a continuation of this cave that you might have missed. So run past these guys and you're going to find this seemingly dead end. But if you don't look in the top right corner, you might have missed this little entrance here. So that is how you'll access this green area. And if you keep running, there's this underpass over here which will bring you to that section where I showed you previously. Now, if you want to access this area and be able to cross the bridges and access all these areas, what you want to do is start at the Morth Ruins, which I mentioned previously, and then you want to hop onto your steed, and we're going to be making our way through this little area here, and you'll have some enemies try to attack you. Now, what you want to do is go through this door in front of us, and once you're through this door, you're going to be brought to this little cave section, and you're going to have to navigate your way down here using your steed. Now, it is quite difficult. It'll likely take a couple tries. What I try and do is jump off once and then immediately try to jump onto these rocks, and most times it does work and I don't die. Then just navigate through the cave until you're brought to Bonnie Village and you'll be able to access all of these areas. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.